Hey guys, what's up? Nick here once again as my full video unboxing and overview of the Arctis 7 wireless gaming headset by Steelseries. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, we got two objects here. We have the Razer base station Chroma on the left side here, and then we have the headset over here. So I'm going to actually unbox this in a separate video, so if you want to go check that out, I'll have a link in the description below, so go check that out. But for right now, we're going to put that to the side. Alright, so let's actually get unboxing of the headset. So let's take off the wrapping around here. So I just got a couple stickers, so we're just going to rip this off, and it should slide right off the box. And there we are. So there is the front of the Arctis 7. This is the wireless 2019 edition, so the headset of the year by PC Gamer. Going to the right, looks like all the stuff that's inside of the box. So we have the USB wireless transfer, a 4-pole 3.5mm headphone jack, so if you want to plug that into a phone, USB charging cable, so to charge the headset obviously, and then it shows how to connect it. And then it is 2.4 gigahertz lossless type wireless with a range of 40 feet. We'll definitely be testing that out for the full review. Battery life of rated 24 hours, which is pretty dang good. Nominal impedance of 32 ohms, frequency response of 20 to 20,000 hertz, so that's pretty good. And a sensitivity of 98 decibels, so not bad at all. Moving to the back here, it just shows another picture of the wireless transmitter and the headset itself and a couple more things talking about the headset. So with that, let's get inside. There we go. Take that tab out. Lift this up. Pull these open, and we'll slide her out. Just like that. Nothing else in the box, so we're going to put that away.
Rise up. We don't play games to escape reality, we play to rewrite it. We're the esports professionals and the pub stars. The 1 HP heroes and the bottom of the scoreboard zeros. The streamers and the dreamers. Whether you win, lose, or rage quit, that's all on you. But remember that reality is not a limit. Good luck. Have fun.
Gotta love those little inspirational quotes they put on these things. It's kind of cheesy, but I don't know. I like it. So we're gonna pull this out, and there we have the headset. Nothing else in there, so we'll put the sleeve to the side. So here's everything that comes in the box. We got the transmitter on the top here, so let's get this out. It's a pretty long cable. I'm actually really surprised by that, but it might be the other cables in there as well. So let's take this little sleeve off. Yes, so we got the transmitter on top. This is obviously for the wireless. Put that to the side. And then looks like here is a 3.5mm cable, so you can plug that into a cell phone or whatever you choose. And then we have the charging cable, which sadly, micro USB. Man, I understand it's 2019 edition, but I really wish that they would have used USB-C. Hopefully in their next series of the Steelseries, they will add USB-C, because come on guys, it's 2020 now. Let's get it together. All right, and for the piece de resistance, let's get the headset out here. Pull that out. Nothing else in the package, I don't think anyway. Oh, just some instruction manuals, but no one ever reads those, so we're gonna put those to the side. And here we go. Let's take off the protecting little sleeve here. So they got a little tape on both sides here I take off. So there is the nice matte protective coating. Now these are not removable. On the Pro series, you can remove these and replace them with your own custom artwork, which is pretty cool. I wish they would have done that in the Arctis 7, but sadly, only on the Pros. And going around the headset, let's start with the headband. So as you can see, we got the really cool ski mask design headband with a metal enclosure underneath. So it is aluminum, so nothing like super heavy or anything for the head, but I like that it is metal, so it's obviously gonna be more durable. These do have a really cool design on here just to come out default. So you can upgrade these and swap out the headbands from their website, which is really cool. So I might do that in the future just to liven up the headset a little bit. But for right now, it definitely gets the job done. You can adjust it over here on the right side with a little piece of Velcro. So we'll be doing that later when we're trying on the headset. The ear cups themselves do swivel 90 degrees. Sadly, not 180. I really wish they did rotate both ways, just again, for more comfortability, and you can lay them any way you like, but they do rotate at least 90 degrees. First, let's start out with the right ear cup. As you can see, we have the chat and game volume. So if you want to hear your friends more, you can switch it down there. If you want to hear the game more, you just go right up. Below that, we have the power indicator and power button. That's pretty much it for the right ear cup. Going to the left side is where pretty much all the fun stuff is. We have the mute button right on top, the volume rocker right below that, And then we have that port for the 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as a share jack. So essentially, if someone wanted to listen to what you're listening to, they can plug in an aux cable and boom, they can hear everything you're hearing. And then right below that, we have the charging cable. And the last part is the microphone, which obviously is retractable. Very cool design. It is bendable as well. Very, very nice. And it does have an LED indicator for when it is muted or when it is working. So very cool. The ear cushions themselves aren't anything too fancy, but they do have a nice breathable material, and it will help to lock in sound, but it sadly won't be as sound isolating as a pair of leather ear cups. But we'll have to see if this is more comfortable and if in the end it's a better choice. But they are removable, and you can swap them out whenever you like, which is a nice touch. So with that, let's get these tried on, paired up to the computer, and let's see what they look like. All right, as you can see, we got the headset all set up here. It is on the stand. I did a separate unboxing again for this RGB stand by Razer. Check it out in the description below. Highly recommend it. But as you can see, we got the headset here already and paired wirelessly to the computer. I downloaded the Steelseries software, super easy, free download, no problems at all. Set it up to the equalizer settings that I preferred. Honestly, right out of the gate, without changing any of the settings with the equalizer or anything, it sounded really good, just in the default settings, which is very, very rare, especially for me coming from a $300 normal headset that I normally use for everything else with my studio. Now coming to a wireless headset, I was expecting to have to do a lot of changes to the equalizer, including the dynamic range, maybe turning off the stereo surround sound, all that stuff. But honestly, out of the gate, it sounds really, really good. The mids are really punchy, the highs sound very clear, and the low bass isn't too muddy. It's very bassy, don't get me wrong. It's not lacking bass like the Virtuoso headset was, which I actually have right here. So I still have the Corsair Virtuoso, which I did an unboxing on as well. But as you guys know, or if you don't, I'm returning it this week because it just is very, very uncomfortable. And that is something I definitely did not feel with the Steelseries Arctis 7. The Virtuoso, in my opinion, I think I like the design a lot better. It's more futuristic. It looks more classy, more, again, it just looks better. But when it comes to overall comfort, that's the main thing, in my opinion, for a good gaming headset. And this guy gets the job done. This guy does not. So we're going to put this away. So again, the Virtuoso was really lacking on bass out of the box. I had to do a lot of equalizer settings to get it to the way I liked it. This one, not so much. Sounded great out of the box. And actually, in my opinion, which is the first time ever, I think it sounds better with the 7.1 surround sound turned on. Now, as we all know, if you've used multiple gaming headsets in the past that claim they have 7.1 surround sound, it's a gimmick, it's not real, it's just some type of equalizer setting in the program that make it essentially sound like it has surround sound, but it's not real. It's still stereo, headphone, there's nothing special about it. But this time around, I think Steelseries did an excellent job with their 7.1 surround sound in the software department, and it sounds honestly better with it turned on, even when listening to music. Because I played one match of Modern Warfare, and then I played some songs on my computer through Spotify, and honestly, I think it sounds really good both with music and gaming. Out of the box, default settings, no changes. As for comfort, like I stated, goes right on the head. I barely had to adjust the headband, but maybe that's just me. And then we have the microphone here. I do have the mic monitoring turned on so I can hear myself through the mic live. Sounds really good. Honestly, the mic quality is pretty decent. I'll do a mic test in the full review coming soon. I just wanted to be able to test this out for at least a couple weeks, get my full thoughts on it, and get a proper review to you guys, what's good, what's bad, all that good stuff. But honestly, right off the bat, I'm very, very pleased with this headset. I'm honestly blown away, not only by the comfort, but the sound quality, the mic quality. Everything so far has been really, really good. So I'm excited to get this thing tested, to try it out for a couple weeks, and to get a full video out for you guys. So with that being said, this is the Steelseries Arctis 7 wireless. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything you'd like me to put in the review specifically in case I miss it. And leave a like to show your support. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll hopefully see you guys in the next one. Peace out.